Good morning. Happy Friday. This is on Class Kick. We are on slide 12. Today, we are going to be figuring out these weird shapes. But they're not that weird because they're actually just two rectangles put together. And we can use the same formulas just twice if we know how to split the rectangles the correct way. So, there's two ways you could do this. You can look at it as one huge rectangle first. You just have to draw in the lines there. And then you can make okay. Well, I know that this little piece right here is 2. And we don't know what this piece is. But we know 2 plus that piece equals 6. Well, how'd you know that, Mr. Garcia? How'd you know 2 plus that piece equals 6? Because I know that this whole side equals 6 because this is 6 over here. And remember, a rectangle is the same on both sides. So I know if this is 6, then 2 plus that question mark equals 6. Well, that's really easy. That's like 2nd grade, 1st grade math. 2 plus what is 6? 4. So, okay, so if this is 4, now I know the missing side here is 4. All right, now I have this missing side right here. And yeah, I made that side up, but guess what? If I find out what that side is, right here, we'll call it X, then I'll know what this side is. And that's our missing side. All right, let me clear all this so we don't get confused. Okay, so we knew that this one is 4. And now we're looking for this side right here, X. Well, I know from here all the way over here is 7. So x plus 3 equals 7. How do I know it's 7? I know this side way up here. If this is 7, well, I know a rectangle or a square, then the bottom would be 7 as well. So 3 is just this little piece. But 3 plus x would be 7, so I know this would be 4 as well. All right, that's one way to figure it out. The other way to figure it out is not to even look at this space over here. Don't even worry about the space. This is the other way to figure it out. Split it up into 2 rectangles. So now you have 2 baby rectangles. We'll call this rectangle B and rectangle C. So rectangle B. We have almost all the sides of rectangle B. We do have all the sides. We have 2, because this is 2, then this is 2. And we have 7. If that is 7, then this whole side is 7. Now let's go, so we have everything we need for B. If we wanted the area. If we wanted the perimeter, we would have a problem because we don't have from here to here, we don't have the perimeter because perimeter is every single side. But we do have enough for the area. Area for B would be 7 times 2. Remember, length times width, which would be 14 square units. Now for C. You might be tempted to be like, oh, it's 6 times 3 for the area for this one. Nope. Remember, we split the side from here to here and then here to here. So it's split right here. 6 is from the top all the way to the bottom, so it can't be 6. It has to be smaller than 6 because we split it. Well, we know that this little section is 2. And we know the whole thing equals 6. So 2 plus something equals the whole thing, which is 6, which is 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So we know that now we know that this side is 4, not 6. And this, if that side's 4, then this side's 4. All right. So those are 2 different ways to find the missing sides. Okay. Oh, and also you can split it this way as well. Now you have B and C. So either way you want to do it. And so this was 4 and this was 4. So the perimeter would be 7 plus 6, which is 13, plus 3, 16, plus 4, 17, plus another 4, 21, plus another 2, 23. So 23, and it doesn't give us a unit, so we're just going to call it unit. 23 units. That is the perimeter. Perimeter equals 23 units. Let me plug it in before it dies. Okay. Now area. Area is length times width. It's not adding up all the sides. It's multiplying the length and the width. Well, we have the length and the width here. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 square units. And B, we have 2 times 4. Not 2 times 7, it's 2 times 4. Remember, 7 is the whole side, and we split the rectangle B. We split the side to make 2 rectangles, so it can't be 7. It's 2 times 4 is 8 square units. We have to say square when we're talking about area. So 18 is area of C, and 8 is the area of B. So now we put those 2 areas together to get the whole thing. 18 plus 8 is 26 square units. Okay. So we can, if this new one we could do it here. If this is 4, then this is 4. If this is 5, then this is 5. This is 5, this is 5. So we have 8 times 5 here to get the area. The area equals 8 times 5 is 40 square units. And we have 5 times 4 here is 20 square units. And 20 plus 40 is 60 square units. So this right here should say 60 square units. This should say 40. If you wanted to find the perimeter, it's going to be a little more difficult because we have to find this little piece, how much it is, and this little piece, how much it is. But we're already halfway there. If we know that this is 4, then this is question mark and this is a question mark. Well, this over here is 8. The whole thing is 8. Question mark plus 4 plus question mark is 8. So 4 plus something equals 8. And they look about the same size, so this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 2. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. All right, let me erase everything. So remember, this side is 5. We just found out this is 2. This is 2. This is 5. Now we can find the perimeter by adding up all the sides. So the perimeter is going to equal 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 20, 22, 24, 28, and then 36. So the perimeter equals 36 units. And the area we just found was 60. All right, let's go to your homework. Here you go, your homework. You're going to find the area to this guy, the area to this guy, and this one you're going to find the perimeter and the area. Remember, you have two ways to do it. You can extend here to here and use your knowledge of rectangles to find this side and this side. And remember, if you split it, you can use the area formula, which is length times width. So you're going to split it into 2 rectangles, A and B. It's not 4 times 2. It looks like 4 times 2, but it's not. You have to find what this is. The whole thing is 4. But when you split it like this, this piece right here is not 4 anymore. This piece is a question mark. And just use your puzzle reasoning and our example from last time to try to figure out these missing sides. And when you find the missing sides, you can then do perimeter. You can find the perimeter and you can find the area. All right, guys, work hard and have a great weekend.